In question number 4, we have again to find out that which of the following equations are consistent and or inconsistent. तो पहली इक्वेशन दे रखी है x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. तो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में a1 दे रखा है 1 एंड a2 दे रखा है 2. b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to 2, c1 is equal to 5 and c2 is equal to 10. So a1 by a2 comes out to be 1 by 2, b1 by b2 comes out to be 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 comes out to be 5 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. तो ये जब तीनों के रेशियो सेम होते हैं तो ये केस होता है कोइंसिडेंट लाइन का. दैट मीन्स इट इज अ कंसिस्टेंट इक्वेशन. सेकेंड वाली इक्वेशन में a1 is given 1, a2 is given 3, b1 is given -1 and b2 is given -3, whereas c1 is given 8 and c2 is given 16. a1 by a2 का रेशियो is coming out to be 1 by 3, b1 by b2 का रेशियो is coming out to be -1 by -3, that means 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is coming out to be 8 by 16, that is 1 by 2. तो क्लियरली यहाँ पे दिख रहा है a1 by a2 का रेशियो b1 by b2 के तो बराबर है, लेकिन that is not equal to the ratio c1 by c2. So this is the case of parallel lines, and parallel lines means no solution, that means it is an inconsistent equation. Now the third equation में a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to -2, whereas c1 is equal to 6 and c2 is equal to 4. a1 by a2 का रेशियो will be equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 का रेशियो will be equal to -1 by 2, whereas c1 by c2 का रेशियो will be equal to 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. That means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. तो जब a1 by a2 का रेशियो b1 by b2 के इक्वल नहीं होता है तो this is the case for intersecting line, that means a unique solution. So these are consistent equations. After that we have last equation जिसमें कि a1 is given to be 2, a2 is given to be 4, b1 is given to be -2 and b2 is given to be -4, whereas c1 is equal to -2 and c2 is equal to -5. a1 by a2 का रेशियो is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 का रेशियो is -2 by -4, that is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 का रेशियो is -2 by -5, that is 2 by 5. In this a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Again the case of parallel equations, no solution, that means it is inconsistent. So first equation consistent, second equation inconsistent, third equation consistent, and fourth equation is inconsistent.